Senior wakes from sleep with leg cramp, then hears surprising food tip on TV screen. Ever wake up in the middle of the night with a painful leg cramp that won't quit? You're not alone, and the fix might be sitting in your kitchen right now. Today, we're revealing the top 3 foods that stop leg cramps fast. Number 2 is so effective, even doctors are surprised. So stay tuned, you'll wish you knew these sooner. If you're over 60 and want stronger, pain-free legs, tap that subscribe button, hit like, and share this with a friend who needs relief. Got a home remedy that works for you? Drop it in the comments below. Number 1. Why seniors get more leg cramps. Senior seated on edge of bed, rubbing calf in pain, looking frustrated, then surprised by solution. You're sound asleep. Then suddenly, ouch! A sharp, twisting pain shoots through your calf or thigh. It feels like your leg is in a knot. Sound familiar? If you're over 60, chances are you've had one of these nighttime leg cramps. And you're not alone. Leg cramps become more common with age, and they're not just annoying, they can disrupt your sleep, make you fearful of walking, and even increase your risk of falling. But here's the good news, these cramps are often your body's way of asking for help, and the solution is often surprisingly simple. Let's start with why leg cramps happen more often as we age. First, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, hydration, and mineral reserves over time. That means our muscles are more vulnerable to stress and misfires. Imagine a car engine running low on oil. That's what your muscles feel like without the right balance of nutrients. Potassium, magnesium, and calcium are the top 3 minerals that help your muscles contract and relax smoothly. If just one is out of balance, your legs can rebel with painful cramps. And here's the catch, common medications many seniors take, like diuretics, water pills, blood pressure meds, or even statins, can deplete these minerals faster than you can replace them. Another factor is circulation. As we age, blood flow to the legs may decrease slightly, especially if we sit for long periods or have conditions like diabetes or peripheral artery disease. Reduced blood flow means fewer nutrients reaching the muscles, and more risk for cramps, and let's not forget hydration. Older adults often feel less thirsty, which leads to subtle dehydration. Without enough water, your muscles tighten up like dry rubber bands, stiff, brittle, and ready to cramp, but there's hope, and it doesn't come in a pill bottle. The key is listening to your body and making smart choices with food. In fact, some of the best cramp-fighting remedies are sitting right in your kitchen right now. This video will walk you through the top 3 foods that can stop leg cramps fast. These aren't exotic or expensive. They're simple, delicious, and senior-friendly, meaning they're easy to find, easy to digest, and packed with the nutrients your muscles are begging for. We'll also show you how to build a leg cramp-proof routine, so you're not just reacting when cramps hit, but preventing them before they even start. So if you're tired of those painful wake-up calls, stay with us. You're about to learn how to nourish your legs back to comfort and sleep through the night with peace. And don't forget to hit subscribe, tap like, and share this with someone who needs better sleep and stronger legs. Your next leg cramp might be the last if you stick around and follow these simple lessons. Lesson 2. Bananas. Senior enjoying banana smoothie at breakfast, then walking dog with ease and smiling confidently. When it comes to stopping leg cramps fast, bananas are one of the most powerful natural remedies you can find. They're affordable, tasty, and packed with the very nutrient that your muscles desperately need, potassium. But why does potassium matter so much for seniors who suffer from muscle cramps? Let's break it down. Every time your muscles move, whether you're standing up, climbing stairs, or just shifting in your chair, there's a delicate exchange of minerals happening inside your muscle fibers. Potassium helps your muscles relax after they contract. Without enough of it, your muscles can tighten up and refuse to let go. That's when the painful cramping begins. Now, here's the part most seniors don't know. Your potassium needs may increase as you age, but your ability to absorb it may decrease. Medications like water pills, often prescribed for high blood pressure or heart conditions, flush potassium out of the body. Add a low-sodium diet and a little dehydration, and you've got a perfect recipe for leg cramps. That's where bananas shine. One medium banana contains around 400 milligrams of potassium, and that's enough to make a real difference. In fact, many seniors report that eating a banana in the evening helps prevent those dreadful 3 a.m. leg cramps. It's a simple fix that doesn't involve any pills or fancy supplements, but bananas aren't just about potassium. They also contain magnesium and vitamin B6, which help your body absorb and use potassium more effectively. And because they provide natural carbohydrates, they help refuel your muscles, especially after a walk or light exercise. Here are some easy ways to add bananas to your daily routine. Slice one over your morning oatmeal. Blend into a smoothie with yogurt and honey. Keep a ripe one on your bedside table for nighttime cramps. Mash onto whole grain toast with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Bananas are gentle on the stomach, don't spike blood sugar too quickly, and they're portable. You don't have to cook, chop, or clean, just peel and enjoy. Now, a quick tip: if you have kidney disease or take potassium-sparing medications, always talk to your doctor before increasing potassium-rich foods. But for most seniors, a banana a day can help keep leg cramps at bay. Best of all, bananas work fast. You might feel relief in as little as 30 to 60 minutes after eating one, especially if your cramps were triggered by a mild potassium deficiency. So if your legs are waking you up at night or tightening up after walking, reach for nature's muscle relaxer. Bananas are more than just a snack, they're a natural solution for stronger, calmer legs. Stay tuned, because up next is a delicious, nutrient-rich food that fights cramps and boosts circulation, and you may already have it in your pantry. Number 3. Sweet potatoes. Senior enjoying roasted sweet potatoes at dinner, then walking upstairs comfortably with no leg pain. If bananas are your go-to for potassium, then sweet potatoes are your secret weapon for magnesium, another powerful mineral that keeps leg cramps away, especially for seniors. In fact, if your legs cramp often at night or after light activity, low magnesium might be to blame. So, what exactly does magnesium do? Think of it as your muscles' calming mineral. It helps regulate how your muscles contract and relax. Without enough magnesium, your muscles can spasm, tighten unexpectedly, or twitch. For older adults, these symptoms often show up in the legs and feet, especially after a long day or while resting at night. And here's the kicker: most seniors don't get enough magnesium, even when eating a relatively healthy diet. That's because magnesium absorption slows down with age. Medications like antacids, blood pressure pills, and diuretics can make the problem worse. Plus, stress and poor sleep, common among older adults, actually burn through your magnesium reserves faster. Enter the sweet potato, a delicious, versatile food that's loaded with magnesium and more. Just one medium sweet potato contains around 30 to 50 milligrams of magnesium, along with over 500 milligrams of potassium and a healthy dose of vitamin C and fiber. That combination makes it one of the best natural remedies for restless legs and nighttime cramps. And let's not forget how easy it is to enjoy sweet potatoes, roasted with olive oil and rosemary, mashed with cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg, baked whole with a pat of butter and a sprinkle of sea salt, chopped into cubes and tossed into soups or stews. They're naturally sweet, soft in texture, and easy on sensitive stomachs, a big win for seniors who want nutrition without digestive trouble. Sweet potatoes also support healthy circulation, which is vital for cramp prevention. Better blood flow means your leg muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly. That means fewer spasms, better walking endurance, and more restful sleep. Want a bonus tip? Pair your sweet potatoes with a source of healthy fat, like olive oil or a little avocado. That helps your body absorb the fat-soluble vitamins in the potato and improves magnesium uptake. 2. Remember, preventing leg cramps isn't just about what you take away, like salt or sugar, it's about what you add in. Sweet potatoes are one of those foods you'll start craving once you feel the difference they make. So, if you've been waking up at night with leg cramps or feeling sore after activity, try adding sweet potatoes to your plate a few times a week. Your muscles will feel more relaxed, and your legs will stay stronger and more comfortable throughout the day. Up next, we'll explore a simple drink that works like an electrolyte rescue, perfect for fast cramp relief after a walk or before bed. Number 4. Coconut water. Senior sips chilled coconut water on porch after gardening, smiles as leg tension fades away. You've just finished a walk or a bit of gardening, and suddenly, your leg tenses up. A cramp strikes, tight, painful, and out of nowhere. What if there were a simple, refreshing drink that could bring relief in minutes? Coconut water might be the secret weapon your legs have been waiting for. Often called nature's sports drink, coconut water is packed with electrolytes, natural minerals that help your muscles stay relaxed, hydrated, and pain-free. It contains potassium, magnesium, sodium, and calcium in just the right balance to support healthy muscle function. Why does this matter so much for seniors? As we age, our bodies lose fluids more easily, and we don't always feel thirsty even when we're mildly dehydrated. That means our muscles can get dry and tight, especially after light physical activity or time spent outdoors. Combine that with mineral loss from medications or diet changes, and you've got a perfect storm for leg cramps. Coconut water works because it rehydrates quickly and replaces the very minerals that muscles use to prevent cramping. It's especially helpful if you've been sweating, you take diuretics, water pills, you've recently been more active, you wake up at night with cramps. 1 cup of coconut water has about 600 milligrams of potassium, 60 milligrams of magnesium, and a small but helpful amount of calcium and sodium. That's a powerful blend for tired legs. Unlike sugary sports drinks, coconut water is low in calories, contains no artificial dyes or chemicals, and is gentle on blood sugar when consumed in moderation. Seniors with diabetes or pre-diabetes can still enjoy small amounts, especially if it's unsweetened. Here's how to use coconut water for leg cramp relief. Drink 1/2 to 1 cup after walking or exercise. Sip a small glass before bedtime if you're prone to nighttime cramps. Blend with banana and a few spinach leaves for a mineral-packed smoothie. Keep a bottle chilled for quick access on warm days. But not all coconut waters are created equal. When shopping, look for 100% pure coconut water, no added sugar, no flavorings or preservatives. Brands labeled not from concentrate for best quality. Coconut water isn't just effective, it's delicious and refreshing, especially when served cold. And for seniors who don't like taking multiple pills or supplements, it offers a natural, drinkable way to keep the legs calm and cramp-free. Of course, if you have kidney issues or are on a low-potassium diet, check with your doctor before drinking regularly. But for most seniors, it's a safe, natural option with quick results. So, the next time you feel a cramp coming on or want to prevent one altogether, reach for a cold glass of coconut water. It might just be the fastest, easiest way to soothe your legs and get back to doing what you love. Number 5. How to build a leg cramp. Senior couple preparing colorful meal together, smiling as they cook and serve food that supports strong legs. You've now learned about the powerhouse foods that stop leg cramps: bananas, sweet potatoes, coconut water, but the real magic happens when you combine these into a daily routine. That's right, you can build a leg cramp-proof diet, and it's easier than you think. Imagine waking up without soreness, walking with confidence, and sleeping through the night without sudden pain. That's what the right foods can do. The key is consistency. You don't need to overhaul your entire menu overnight. Just 1 or 2 smart changes a day can start protecting your muscles around the clock. Let's walk through a sample daily plan that fights cramps naturally. Breakfast, start with potassium and magnesium, a bowl of oatmeal topped with sliced banana and a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds, rich in magnesium, a glass of water or unsweetened coconut water, optional, a boiled egg or Greek yogurt for muscle-repairing protein. 12 o'clock lunch, keep muscles calm and circulation strong, a hearty salad with spinach, grilled chicken, olive oil, and roasted sweet potato cubes. Add avocado slices. Loaded with potassium and healthy fats, herbal tea or lemon water for hydration. Dinner, fill in the gaps with balanced nutrients. Baked salmon, for omega-3s that reduce inflammation, or lentils, for magnesium and protein. A side of steamed broccoli and brown rice, a serving of fruit, like oranges, melon, or berries, for hydration and vitamin C. Before bed, prevent nighttime cramps, a light snack, half a banana or a small glass of coconut water. Stretch your legs gently before getting into bed. Keep water nearby in case you wake up feeling dry. This kind of eating plan does more than just stop cramps. It strengthens bones, boosts heart health, and keeps your energy steady throughout the day. Best of all, it's real food, no need for complicated supplements or strange powders. Here are 3 golden rules to keep in mind. Hydrate throughout the day, don't wait until you're thirsty. Sip water. Herbal teas or coconut water regularly. Eat colorfully. Bright fruits and vegetables are full of the minerals your muscles crave. Balance your plate. Each meal should have a mix of carbs, protein, and healthy fats to keep you nourished and satisfied. And remember, foods that fight leg cramps also help prevent falls, improve sleep, and boost mobility, things every senior values. You're not just easing pain. You're giving yourself the freedom to move, walk, and live fully, so start small. Add a banana to breakfast. Try roasted sweet potatoes with dinner. Sip some coconut water when you're feeling tight or tired. Over time, these little choices create big changes, and your legs will thank you. If this video helped you, please subscribe, tap like, and share it with a friend or loved one who could use stronger, cramp-free legs. Let's help each other stay active, independent, and pain-free, one delicious meal at a time. Conclusion: if even one of these foods brought you relief or gave you hope for stronger, pain-free legs, please take a moment to share your story in the comments below. Have bananas helped you sleep better? Did coconut water ease a cramp when nothing else worked? Your experience could inspire someone else who's struggling. And if you have a favorite cramp-fighting food or home remedy, we'd love to hear it. Your voice matters, and every comment helps build a community of support. So don't be shy, scroll down, say hello, and tell us what worked for you. Let's help each other feel better, together.